Hello friends, I am Ehtisham. Welcome to Learning City. Today in this tutorial of Office 365 PowerPoint presentation, I am going to describe about how to use infographic slide. Infographics is an amazing tool in MS PowerPoint. It really makes your work very easy, convenient and very efficient while presenting your video. Let's say you have made a wonderful presentation about your office annual report. You have used amazing color gradient throughout your presentation. You have used charts to present your video, and you have used tables. But when it comes to present your team, you have just wrote down the name of your team members from CEO to last members, which is not very convincing. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use infographics to present your team. Simply write down the name of your all team members. Under the home tab, go to paragraph and see this small icon of convert to small art graphics. Click and then select your infographic. See, an attractive infographic slide is being displayed. Select your desired one. I have selected this one just to show you how you can work with this infographic slide. After selection of your team, a tab of Smart Art Design will appear at the top. You can choose your necessary color, shape. Office 365 will automatically determine your 3D graphic and will show you how it will look in various ways. Let's say I'm selecting this one. Now I have changed my mind and I want to change this. My boss or other team member is not liking this one. I can still change. Simply click on this tab and select your other info Smart Art Design. If you want to insert picture, I will show you later on how you can insert picture with that. See, for example, my colleagues are liking this one. I will simply click this one, select. So this is how you can work with Smart Art Design with simple plain names. Now I'm going to show you how you can use pictures with your Smart Art Design. Select a Smart Art Design with picture. Simply click on picture, upload your picture from a file or any other source. I'm going to upload a picture. In similar way, add pictures of your each team member. After uploading picture of this is how your infographic slide will appear. You can go to format tab to change color, to change design. I'm going to change into multiple colors. You can work with here. So this is how you can simply convert your text into infographic slide. And if you want to convert again your Smart Art Design to text, simply click on this convert button and convert to text. It will simply convert into text again. So let me undo this. So this is how you can create Smart Art Design from text into infographics and again converting them back into text. For more updates on PowerPoint, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.